Dear students, good day to all. Today we are going to see the simulation of cascading method to perform the sequence of operation such as A plus, B plus, B minus and A minus. Now we going to see the simulation of cascade method for the sequence of A plus, B plus, B plus, B minus, A minus. Steps involving cascade method. Step 1. Write the given sequence. Write the given sequence. A plus, B plus, B minus, A minus. Step 2. Grouping the given sequence. Grouping the given sequence. So we have the 4 sequence here. So we need to separate it as a 2 group. A plus, B plus as 1 group, B minus, A minus as 1 group. One. B minus, A minus as group 2. Step 3. Number of the power lines. Equal to number of power lines or pressure line. Is equal to number of groups. Step 4. The first process, finding the number of link switches. Number of direction control valve. Number of direction control valve is equal to number of cylinders. Second one, step 4. In step 4, the second step is number of limit switches equal to 2 into number of cylinder. That is 2 into 2. 4 limit switches required. Number of main DC we require 2. Total we have 2 cylinders. Number of changing valve GCV is equal to number of group minus 1. That is 2 minus 1. We require 1 group changing valve. Step 5. Construct the given construct the circuit for given sequence. In construct the circuit for given sequence. So as usual, first you need to take the power source, compressor, air service unit, lubricator, that is filter regulator and lubricator unit, and then we require two cylinders, double acting cylinders. Then we required for activating the cylinders required one group changing valve. That group changing valve also a 4x2 direction control valve, and we required four limit switches. We require four limit switches. We require four limit switches. Let's copy, paste. Set the actuator for limit switches. One side I require roller, another side I require spring. Roller, mechanical actuator, another side I require spring. Roller, another side I require spring. Roller, another side I require spring. Okay, so next take the text here. Should be the sequence A plus, B plus, B minus, A minus. So here we cannot do the sequence through the classical method. So therefore we go for cascade, because there will be a wall lock condition arise, then only we go for cascade method, and this will be the A cylinder, this will be the B cylinder, and then we need to set the actuator for DCVs, main DCVs, as well as group changing valve. Go to set as pilot operator. Pilot operated means using fluidic energy we are going to actuate the DCV. Okay, so give the power source to the DCVs and main DCVs. Set the wind for DCVs. external vent, set it as external vent. Set it as external vent. So you take an example A plus B plus B minus A minus means I am going to do the drilling operation. So A cylinder extend means the cylinder going to be extend and going to clamp the workpiece. B cylinder extend means B cylinder going to be extend and going to start the drilling process. And B cylinder retract means after drilling the B cylinder will be retract. And A cylinder retract means after drilling with returns the A cylinder retract and release the clamp to take the workpiece. Similarly, you can understand the sequence A plus B plus A minus B minus in the previous previous video. That A plus B plus A minus B minus is generally used for the door operation in the buses. A cylinder extend means it going to open the front door. B cylinder extend means it going to open the back door. Next, A cylinder retract means it going to close the front door. B cylinder retract means it going to close the back door. Now set the label for cylinder, that is you need to specify the extension and retraction position. So its maximum stroke length is 100. E minus, E plus, minus, minus will be 0, B plus will be 100, B plus, connecting the DCV to the cylinders. Okay. So this is group changing valve. Changing valve DCV. And this is DCV1, direction control valve 1. Just copy and paste it here. This will be the DCV2. So one sequence will be A plus B plus one sequence will be A plus B plus group 2 sequence will be B minus E. Okay, So initially the both cylinders are in retract condition, A minus and B minus. So what is happening here? After A minus happen, it's going to change the group. So it's going to change to group 1. So this is the A minus. From here I am going to get the signal. So I need to connect it here because it's going to change the group to the group changing valve position 1. So whenever the group changing valve position 1 will be changed, the first sequence going to be happen is A cylinder extend. So from port 4 I receive the input signal. So I just connect with A plus. So after A plus happen, what is the next sequence? B plus will be happen. So I connect it with here. B cylinder will be extend. So after B cylinder extend, what has happened next? It's going to change the group changing valve position. So the group changing valve position will be changed. Now I get the pilot pressure from port 2 in the group changing valve. So what is the first sequence in group 2? B cylinder retract. So the B cylinder retract, for B cylinder retract I need to give the connection in DCV2 here. So after B cylinder retract, what is the next sequence need to happen? I need to retract the A cylinder. So I connect here. So after A cylinder retract, what is the next sequence? And it's going to change the group changing valve. So A plus B plus A minus B minus. So that sequence will be happen here. So now I need to the power source for the limit switches in the corresponding group. So in group 1 I have A plus B plus. So this is A plus and this is B plus. These two limit switches getting power from power line 1. The 4 the power line comes from the port 4 is the power line 1. So the limit switches A plus B plus receive the power from this limit switches. Okay. Okay, and similarly B minus, A minus, both things receive power from power line 2. This is power line 2 from the second port. A minus and B minus receive the power. Okay, A minus and B minus receive the power from power line 2. Okay, now we completed the circuit. Now we can simulate that circuit. We can also include the state diagram to get the state of the cylinder during the sequencing position. Start the simulation. Sorry, here I made a small mistake. Should be a inlet. One port will be a power port. 3 port will be a vent port. Here I do the small mistake. Do a small mistake. a power port, and then input will be a vent port. I just made a small mistake. So B minus and then A minus receive power from power line 1, that is which is comes out from the 4 port. A plus and B plus receive power from power line 2. Sorry, sorry, here also I made a small mistake. I wrongly give the power line to the limit switches. Okay, group 2 such as B minus A minus limit switches. B minus A minus limit switches receive power from power line 2. Then A plus and then B plus receive power from power line 1. A plus limit switch, B plus limit switch receives power from power line 1. B cylinder plus B minus A minus A plus B plus B minus A minus. Okay. You need to give carefully the connections. Thank you.